So, today we're doing a little bit of green laning with the one and only Thomas. Insurance! We're off-roading. Ooh, that's not ideal. I was expecting a water crossing, not a puddle. It's decent off-road. You gotta give it that. This is the start of Sal Fell, guys. So this is what we would call Sal Fell. It is a pretty long green lane. Is that a shirt? Yeah, then. Oh, stand up. Oh, look at this. Look how boingy it is. It's very boingy. I don't know if that's the correct term for it, but it is very boingy. In a good way. It does get better than this, by the way, guys. If you've never seen Sal Fell, it does get much better. It is a cool lane. I think I'll have to shut this one. Yeah, I will. Wow. It's bumpy. It's bumpy, but I want to go fast. I'm torn because I want to go fast and I don't want to crash. You see the problem? And we've got a high squeaky voice on. Ooh. These kind of rocks are horrible. These kind of rocks are kind of hard. Ooh. Look at this. Let's do a big wheel spin. Can we do a big wheel spin up here? Oh, it's a shame it's not recording. No, it just grips. These tyres are surprisingly grippy. These tyres are... Wow! This is just a... Wow! There is so much grip. These tyres are surprisingly grippy. Okay, I'll have a video with him. I'm flabbergasted. We get some recording of Tom. I think the other lane would have been better. Oh. I've got the gear stick. little bit bumpy.
Hello! I would not envy her riding down here. Do not envy her riding on this on a bike. It's hard enough on a motorbike. Look at this. Freaking warm, I'll tell you that much. It just digs in and goes. I was seriously expecting this to be a wheel spinning mess, but it just digs in and goes. And we're not doing a slow pace here by any means, we're pressing on. I'm a bit sweaty. I'm a bit sweaty.
I can't remember if it's down here or after the next gate, but on the left hand side there's a really big washout that's like that deep, so just stick to the
Yeah, I'll follow you. I'm just going to follow you. Remember that anguish coming down here, Kate, on the 125s. Tell you what, when you're on stuff like this you can relax a bit. When you're on all them rocks you can't relax, you've got to be on it, because it's so easy to lose the front end on them. Like this now, the little rocks, they're the ones that get you out. This now you can literally just let the bike do its thing underneath you. See his bike, then as soon as you hit them, they're lethal. Especially on a bigger bike. You can't just glide over them like you can on a smaller bike. Oh, this really does make me want to have my own big bike. But I just don't want the responsibility of maintaining one. It's actually really impressive to see how far Tom's riding's come. Hiya. That's nice of you. Alright. Whee! Yeah, last time I come down here I was on my Dominator. And these get really washed out with the water going from right to left, and I wanted to show off and I wanted to beat the people on the enduro bikes, so I come down and I was flying and I hit one of them and it must have been about 2 feet deep. See how we're going over the dark bits, and I hit it that hard that my whole back end got caught in the wheel. I lost the number plate, the light, the lot. Like, we're doing 30 mile an hour here. Like, we're not going slow.
Kate's favourite gate, that, isn't it?
Yeah, is that the one she did?
Yeah. They've repaired all that damage.
Pardon?
They've repaired all that.
Right.
That
Yeah, they're bad there.
Yeah.
I was saying to Cameron last time I come down there, it was on Dominator, and I wanted to race all the enduro bikes, and I hit that thing and lost all my back end.
Yeah.
I lost my number plate and light and everything, didn't I?
Yeah, they used to be pretty deep and all.
Your riding is insane now. I've not ridden with you for a long time.
I think I ride this better than enduros, you know.
Really?
More comfortable on it.
Just more suspension.
Yeah.
I think when you got more weight, it takes the bumps a bit better.
It feels more stable.
Yeah. Yeah, that was where Kate had a mishap on the Cynices. Do you know what Kate says that though? Kate says she rides the bigger bikes off-road better than she does the little ones. And I understand it because they are easier to ride at a slower pace. Jump! We did a jump. They are easier to ride at the slower pace and stuff like that. It's when you want to start pushing them that they get a little bit, they don't turn as easy. Oh, these boots are amazing. I'm glad I bought these boots. My feet would be wet through. Oh. This is really really is making me remember why I love off-roading so much. I just love it so much. Look at this, guys. Like, it's just beautiful. It is just so nice. A little bit loosey-goosey. The bad thing about camera as well is it makes it look like it's nothing. Like, it genuinely now makes it look like we're just riding on a flat. And we just did a jump. We didn't mean to do a jump. We've done a few jumps. We didn't mean to do them. We're just cruising at a steady 40. I thought we'd run into more bikers with it being nice. But yeah, it's can't see what I'm doing. He's left me. Like, look at this bad boy. I think the swing arm, the stand hit a few things, but it's only a centre stand in it. Let's do a fast start.
fun. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. We went fast. Do a fast start again, eh? Let's do a fast start again. That could have been bad. That could have been very bad. So Tom's the leader and I'm the follower. This lane is meant for novices that want to dabble in a little bit and up in the north. Sal Fell is a cracking lane. That's the final. This is the final. This is the finish. We're going to get a burger now from Devil's Bridge. That was a lot of fun. I got to go fast. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this little trip doing a little bit of green laning on a Honda Transalp. Conclusion, did it surprise me? Heck yeah. I didn't expect it to be this capable whatsoever. Do I think it'd make a good green laner? Yes, I do. It is very light, it's very nimble. It doesn't have the ground clearance of some other bikes, but the bash guard will sort that out, won't it? I can't comment on any other bikes because I've not ridden a T7, I've not ridden the V-Strom, I don't know what the other brands are. I've not ridden any of the other big, the other big enduro bikes / small adventure bikes.